Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the new Iluvsarahii X ColourPop collection that just came out. Well, it came out December 26th, I think. Mine just came in the mail yesterday, so I'm super duper excited to do this review. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, then go ahead on and click the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, so let's just get right into the video. All right, so I'm just gonna go right into the collection. So it comes with an eyeshadow palette and a lip bundle. So I didn't order the PR kit. The PR kit is $50 if you order that, but I didn't get that. I just got the collection. It was $39. So the collection includes an eyeshadow palette. It comes in a packaging like this, and it's called Through My Eyes. It's kind of like a kaleidoscope type vibe type thing. That's why the packaging has like her eyes on it, and those are Iluvsarahii's eyes, so it's really cool. Her eye looks are always like so bomb, like she's bomb. The palette looks like this. It has like the kaleidoscope type theme on it. It just says Through My Eyes, and then it has Iluvsarahii X ColourPop in the middle, and then on the back are all the shade names. But the shade names are also inside the palette, so you don't really need that. And it comes with a huge mirror, and then it comes with the I got some swatches. I'm going to insert some swatches here to dive my so I have my base already like created. I already did my highlight, contour, and all that, so I'm just ready to dive into this. But it also comes with a lip kit, and it comes with two matte lips and a glossy lip. So they come in like a little package like this, and then you have, let's see, Dulce, which is an ultra matte lip, Glass lip, which is the ultra glossy lip, and then Sueno de Coco, which is a ultra matte lip as well. So the prices for these, the palette itself, just the palette, is $23. The lip bundle is $16. But if you want to get these individually, the Sueno, the glass lip, the glossy lip is $6, and then the two matte lips are $6. All right, guys. So first, I'm gonna go into Misbehave, and that's this color here, and I'm just gonna place that into my crease. Let me tell y'all, I'm not 100% sure when this video will be up, but today is January 11th, and if you don't know, Fenty Beauty came out with her concealers and her pressed powders today. All right, so it's like 11:57, right? And I'm waiting. I'm on the website, and I'm just ready to order these concealers and this pressed powder. Tell me why 12 o'clock hit and it won't let me add it to my cart. That's all. Like, what is going on here? Like, I'm freaking out. I'm telling my boyfriend, like, what is going on? Like, I don't know what's going on. And he's like, maybe it's gonna like stop. Maybe it's gonna like make it available for you to purchase around like 8, you know, because a lot of people are asleep now. And I'm like, no, you know, no, it should be available now. So it's like 12:05, and so it's still not. I'm refreshing and everything, still not letting me add it to my cart. So I'm like, okay, what is going on? So he tells me, he's just like, just give it a minute, just wait a minute. So I'm like, okay. So it's like 12:15. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna chill out, and then I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna chill out and wait a couple minutes. So I wait about 20 minutes. I watch a video. Y'all, go back to the website. Everything is sold out. I was so mad. I'm like, bro, I was on this website at 12 o'clock, 12:05, 12:10, 12:15. It would not let me add it to my cart. And now it's sold out. Y'all, I was so mad. I just have to get my hands on it, you know what I'm saying? All right, so now I'm going to take Moody, and I'm going to place that. I'm going to blend that into my crease as well. Ooh, this color is pigmented, honey. Baby. Y'all, that Moody just came in and took over everything. All right, so I'm just going to put the rest of this on this eye. All right, so I'm going to go back in into Misbehave, and put that back because Moody just came in and just took over the show. And okay guys, I had just got a really important phone call. I'm just basically going back and forth between Misbehave and Moody and placing that into my crease, and I'm going in like this motion. I'm just basically blending those two into each other and then feathering Misbehave out. I don't like this. So honestly, I'm just gonna take guys. So I ended up doing the exact same thing to this eye, and then I added a color onto my eye, and I just didn't like it. So I'm gonna like redo this. I took it off because, you know, I'm not the type of person who will not like a look, but I still do the look for the sake of the video. Like, no, like, I can't pretend that I like something if I really don't. And so I'm pretty sure you guys can tell like I just wiped everything off of this eye because I just didn't like it. I'm gonna still use Moody and Misbehave in my crease. I'm just gonna go in with a different lid shade. I'm just going to basically do the exact same thing to this eye as I did to this eye when it comes to my crease, and then we're gonna find a new lid shade. So I think I'm gonna go into Euphoric, and that's that peach. Oh, okay, that's that peach shade right there. All right, now I'm gonna go over the top with Mesmer-eyez. Ooh, she cute. Ooh, she's pigmented as well. Oh my goodness gracious, she is pigmented. So my camera wasn't on. Everything I just did, my camera wasn't on. So I'm not really sure where it stopped at. And I just went into my L'Oreal True Match powder in the color N8. And I dusted away the excess glitter under my eye. And I kind of fixed this with the powder. So I decided to go in, back in with Moody and apply that under my, in my waterline, right under my black eyeshadow. Right under the black eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna smoke it out on the edges. Oh, girl, you cute. I'm so extra. Ugh. Now that the eyes are finished, we're going to go into the lip colors. What I am going to use is the ColourPop BFF 3 liner. Well, actually, I'm going to use this liner. And then I'm going to go over with the Wet n Wild liner. This is a kohl eyeliner, and I don't know the name of it because it's scratched off. But I'm just going to apply this really lightly because this color is really dark. I'm gonna apply like each lip color, and I'm just gonna take it off and just to show you guys what the look looks like. So this is Sueno de Coco. I'm gonna swatch this really quick. So it's like a mauve tone, pinkish. Okay, so this is Sueno de Coco. I usually don't go for mattes like this, but I like this. I think I'm actually gonna wear this. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I usually just do like a peachy tone nude glossy lip, but I think I'm gonna wear this. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. So this is Sueno de Coco with the glossy lip on top. I want to give you guys like all the different combinations that you could possibly go for. So this is like a peachy. Ooh, I like this. Now this is cute. All right. Y'all, I'm feeling myself, honey. This is Sueno de Coco with glass lip mixed on top of it. And I'm going to swatch glass lip for you really quick. Peachy gloss shade. It's really pretty. It has different reflex in it. Yo, this is cute, honey. So this is those two mixed. Look cute. Okay, this is cute. So that's really, really cute. But we're gonna take her off so we can go in with the next color. So I'm gonna reapply my lip liner. All right, so this is Dulce, I guess you'd say. I don't know, but we're gonna apply her. This is Dulce. This is really not a color that I would normally gravitate towards, honestly. Because I just don't feel like it goes that well with my skin complexion. Like, it looks funny on my lips. And I don't really know why. I feel like I look like, I don't know, I look weird. But I'm going to go back over my lips with the BFF liner to try to help it blend better. But it's still not really my thing. But this is mauve. I mean, not mauve. This is Dulce. Now I'm going to try Dulce with the glass lip on top. This is Dulce with glass lip on top. So I'm going to reline my lips, and then I'm going to apply the original color that I had chosen because I really liked it. Go back in with a little Blistex because my lips are really dry. And the last thing I need is for my lips to be dry, and then put a matte lip on top. And I'm going to go back in with Sueno de Coco because Alright guys, so I'm gonna go with this look. Now, I never do a matte look. I never do like matte lips, never. But we're gonna try this today. I think it looks pretty good on me. So we're gonna try it. I think it looks a little better with the glass lip, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone in 2019 a little bit. So we're gonna go with this. And now if I, once I finish my hair, once I do my hair and stuff, if I, decide that I don't really like it, then I'm gonna go back and put the glass lip on top. But I think I like this for now. I think it looks pretty good, and my eyes look a lot better than they did originally. I really had a lot of struggles with my eyes, but I think it's turned out. So here's the finished look. I just went and added my earrings, and I did my hair, and your girl is ready. So, my final thoughts about the palette. I really, really love the palette. It's very, very pigmented. It has some beautiful colors in it. I think Iluvsarahii did an amazing job with ColourPop. I definitely think it's worth the money. 23 bucks is not bad at all. So I definitely think you guys should go out and get it. The lip colors. So Dulce is honestly just not a color that I would normally gravitate towards, simply because of the color. Honestly, it's just not really my thing. But it has a really, really good formula. And I really, really like how it's like a matte lip, but it's not too drying. And then these two are bae. Okay, so this is Sueno de Coco, and I really, really like this one. It's kind of difficult for me to find a nude that it looks really good on my skin complexion, because I'm not too dark, but I'm not too light at the same time. So it's like I try to find like the middle ground between the two, and this one is really, really good. I need a lip liner. I can't wear this. I can't pull this off without a lip liner, but it's still really, really pretty. And I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and wear just matte lips without the gloss. And this one makes me feel really, really comfortable. This gloss lip, let me tell you, honey, I'm going to be wearing this one by itself because this one is really, really good. I really like how it has like the reflex in it. And I really like how it smells like candy or something, but it has like reflex in it, and it's not too bright, not too dark. Like, it's just like an amazing universal glossy lip color, and I really, really enjoyed this one. So these two are my favorite out of the two, but if I had to choose a favorite out of all three, this one would definitely be my favorite, the glossy lip. That's my thoughts on the collection, and I thank you guys so much for tuning in to watch this video. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe, please, and don't forget to hit the bell, because if you don't, you're not going to get notified whenever I upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.